Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution you have, update software. If Bluetooth remains definitions, it makes sense to go for the software update, as I am afraid there might be a software bug behind the problem. So you have open the setting and then you have click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you have must be installed on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have reset all settings. So you have whenever my iPhone seems to be plagued by complex or prescripts issue, a factory reset is the one solution I always look up to. Mind you, it has got a fine record of fixing analysis. Go to the settings and then you have again app on your iPhone or iPad, and then you have click on again general, and then you have scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset, then you have click on reset all setting iPhone, given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings. Then third solution, you have reset network setting. Many a time resetting the network setting has helped me resolve the Bluetooth issue on iPhone. So I am going to try this effective solution to bring the ill-fated Bluetooth back on track. So you have again open the setting, click on again general, click on again transfer or reset iPhone. So you have click on again reset the network setting iPhone, given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode, only reset the network setting. Then fourth solution, you have force restart your iPhone. Force restarts, also called hard reset, is a pretty handy troubleshooter, especially for common iOS issues. To force restart your device, press and the release volume up and down button. To force restart your device, press the release volume up button, then you after that press and then release the volume down button. Up next, press and hold the power button until the screen of your iOS device go black and then Apple logo comes up on screen. Then your problem will be fixed. Then fifth solution, you have forget the Bluetooth device and reconnect. If you had previously connected to the Bluetooth device, force your iPhone to forget the device and then reconnect to it. Then sixth solution, turn off and on Bluetooth on your iPhone and iPad. It would also be wise to turn off and on Bluetooth on your iPhone or iPad. At times, just soft resetting the Bluetooth can let you get rid of the problem and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.